friends, in today's video I am going to show you a super quick and simple way to paint beautiful tulips like this, and I think I am going to add a little base at the end because they look kind of like floating, but I might just leave it like this. But I am going to show you how I did it in a few very easy and simple steps. Now let's go over the materials. I am going to use Arches of watercolor paper. I have my clean water, of course, and these are all the colors that I am going to use. So I am going to use the opera pink, I'm going to use the cadmium yellow, cadmium red orange, the cadmium yellow, indigo, and a mixture of indigo and yellow make the green. So those are the colors that I'm going to be using. As for the brush, I am using a filbert brush, number 4. This is a Holbein black resable that is made in Japan, but you can use any filbert brush. Filbert brush is what is going to help with the shapes of the tulips themselves. The brush in itself is going to do most of the work. You just have to remember that when you are creating the shape of the tulip, you use the flat part of the brush, and when you do the details, you use the side part of the brush. But that is pretty much it. So let's get started. Of course, if you guys have seen any of my other videos, you know that I split my paper into 4s and I end up with paper small like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and paint on a small piece of paper like this. Alright, so now I am going to go ahead and get started with my yellow tulips, and I am going to do cadmium yellow with a touch of cadmium red orange at the tip. So I'm going to start . Now, as I move along, I am going to use a round brush. This one is a bit hayways, and it is just a round brush, and I'm going to start doing my stems and my leaves as I go, so I can fill in some space and it'll guide me to where I need to continue my tulips. That feels about right. Now I'm going to continue with other colors. So I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit of the main color being a cadmium and red orange with a touch of yellow. I sometimes like to do a mixture of pink with orange because I think it looks absolutely beautiful. Now I am going to do a mixture of indigo with a little bit of pink. Gives me a beautiful, beautiful violet. So I'm primarily going to do pink with a touch of purple. Okay, I think I like my little bouquet of tulips, and now I'm gonna go ahead and add all of these other details to give it more shape. Alright, I think this is it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this super quick little tutorial on a bouquet of tulips. Very colorful little bouquet for spring, and I think that is all for today. I'll see you guys on the next video.